Do you know this feeling? Someone asks you a question in English. You understand the question. But before you speak, you think in your own language first. Then you try to translate it. And then it is too late. The moment is gone. This is one of the biggest problems for English learners. You are not speaking English. You are translating English. Today, we are going to fix that. My name is Adam. Welcome to learn all about English. In this video, you will learn why your brain translates instead of thinks in English. You will learn simple tips to start thinking in English every day. And then we will practice together with a graded reader story. This video is for intermediate English learners. The English is clear and simple. We go slowly. You can repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Why do we translate? First, let's understand the problem. When you learned your first language, your mother tongue, you did not use a dictionary. You did not study grammar. You just listened. You heard words. And slowly, those words became feelings. Those words became images. Those words became your thoughts. But when you learned English, you probably learned it through your own language. Your teacher said apple means this word in your language. Your book translated everything for you. You learned English with your language as the bridge. And that is okay at the beginning. But now, that bridge is slowing you down. When you think in English directly, the word goes straight to the image, the feeling, the idea. No bridge. No waiting. No delay. That is fluency. Let me give you an example. I say the word, dog. What happened in your mind? Did you see a dog? Or did you think of the word in your language first, and then see the dog? If you saw the dog directly, good. If you translated first, that is exactly what we are working on today. 5 easy tips to think in English. Tip number 1, label your world. The first tip is very simple. Start labeling things around you in English. When you wake up in the morning, look at your room and say the words. Bed. Pillow. Window. Light. Phone. Cup. Door. Now you try. Look around you right now. Can you name 5 things in English? This simple habit connects objects directly to English words. No translation needed. Tip number 2, think in sentences, not just words. Knowing single words is not enough for speaking. Your brain needs to build sentences. So when you look at something, make a sentence about it. Look at your coffee. Don't just think the word coffee. Think, the coffee is hot. Or, I need coffee today. Or, this coffee smells good. Repeat after me. The coffee is hot. I need coffee today. This coffee smells good. Do this with everything around you. Your brain will start making sentences automatically. Tip number 3, talk to yourself. This tip sounds a little strange. But it works. Talk to yourself in English. When you are walking to the kitchen, say, I am going to the kitchen. I am hungry. I want to eat something. When you are getting dressed, say, I am going to wear a blue shirt today. The weather is cold. When you are watching the news, say, "This is interesting." I think the president is wrong. I do not understand this word. You are creating a private English world inside your head. Nobody can hear you. There is no pressure. But your brain is practicing every day, every moment. Tip number 4, think in English before you sleep. Before you sleep, think about your day in English. Just simple sentences. Today was a good day. I had rice for lunch. The weather was warm. I felt tired at 3 o'clock. Do this for 5 minutes before sleeping. Over time, your brain begins to live in English. Not just study it. Tip number 5, stop using your dictionary for every word. When you see a new word, do not stop. Do not open your dictionary. Try to guess the meaning from the sentence. This is how children learn. This is how your brain learns naturally. For example, the man was exhausted after his long journey. He could barely keep his eyes open. Can you guess the word exhausted? He could barely keep his eyes open. After a long journey. Yes. Exhausted means very, very tired. You understood it without a dictionary. That is thinking in English. Now it's story time, a new morning. Okay. Now you know the 5 tips. But knowing is not enough. You need to practice. So now we are going to read a short story together. This is a graded reader. The English is simple and clear. I will read slowly. You can read along. You can repeat after me. And you can think in English, no translation. The story is called A New Morning. Part 1, The Alarm. It was 6:30 in the morning. The alarm clock was ringing. Maya opened her eyes slowly. The room was bright. The sunlight was coming through the window. She turned off the alarm. She took a deep breath. Today is Monday, she said to herself. A new week. A new start. Repeat after me, today is Monday. A new week. A new start. Part 2, Getting Ready. Maya got out of bed. She walked to the bathroom. She washed her face with cold water. The water was cold and fresh. She felt more awake now. She looked in the mirror. You can do this, she said. She smiled at herself. Talking to yourself in the mirror in English is one of the best ways to practice. Try it tomorrow morning. Part 3, Breakfast. Maya went to the kitchen. She made a cup of tea. She put 2 spoons of sugar in the tea. She sat by the window and looked outside. The street was quiet. A cat was sleeping on the wall. A man was walking his dog. 2 children were riding their bicycles. Maya watched them. She felt calm. She felt happy. This is a beautiful morning, she thought. Now I want you to try. What does your morning look like? Try to say 1 sentence about your morning right now. Take 10 seconds. Go ahead. Part 4, The Problem. But then her phone rang. It was her boss. Are you coming to work today? Yes, said Maya. Of course. I will be there at 9. Good. We have an important meeting this morning. Please don't be late. I understand. I will be on time. Let's practice this short conversation. Repeat after me. Are you coming to work today? Yes. Of course. I will be there at 9. Please don't be late. I will be on time. These are useful phrases for real life. Remember them. Part 5, The Journey. Maya finished her tea. She put on her coat. She picked up her bag. She stepped outside. The air was cool and fresh. She walked to the bus stop. She waited for 3 minutes. The bus arrived. She got on the bus. She found a seat near the window. She looked outside as the bus moved through the city. The city was waking up. Shops were opening. People were walking fast. Everyone had somewhere to go. Part 6, The Thought. Maya put in her earphones. She listened to an English podcast. She listened carefully. She tried to understand every word. But she did not worry if she missed something. She just listened. And listened. And listened. After a while, something interesting happened. She stopped translating. She stopped thinking about the grammar. She was just listening. The English was going directly into her mind. This is the moment every English learner wants. This is what you are building right now by watching this video. Be patient. Keep practicing. It will come. Part 7, Arrival. The bus stopped near her office. Maya got off. She walked quickly to the building. She arrived at 8:55. 5 minutes early. Her boss was standing at the door. "Good morning, Maya," he said. "Good morning," she said. "I am a little early." He smiled. "I can see that." "Well done." Maya smiled too. It was a good start to the week. And that is the end of our story, A New Morning. Let's review the most important words from the story. I will say the word. You repeat it. Then I give the meaning. Exhausted. It means very, very tired. I am exhausted after work. Calm. It means quiet, relaxed, no stress. She felt calm in the morning. On time. It means not late, arriving at the correct moment. I will be on time for the meeting. Waking up. The city was waking up means it was starting the day, becoming busy. The city was waking up slowly. Take a deep breath. Breathe in deeply to feel calm. Before the meeting, she took a deep breath. Well done. This is what you say to someone who did something good. You finished the story. Well done. Before you close this video, I want to give you a challenge. This week, every morning, do these 3 things. 1. Look around your room and say 5 things in English. 2. Say 1 sentence about how you feel. For example, I feel tired. Or I feel excited today. 3. Before you sleep, say 3 things that happened in your day in English. That is it. 5 minutes in the morning. 2 minutes at night. Do this for 7 days and you will feel the difference. Write in the comments, "I am starting today." I read every comment and I will reply to you. If you want more graded reader stories like this one, please subscribe to this channel. Press the bell button so you never miss a video. And share this video with one friend who is learning English. Thank you so much for watching. You did something great today. You practiced English for 20 minutes. You are one step closer to fluency. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.